Well, February is Career and Technical Education Month, and here in the North Clackamas School District, there's no better place to be than on one of our campuses of the Sabin Schellenberg Professional Technical Center. We've got all kinds of things going on throughout our two campuses. There is digital design going on right there, students having a discussion. Then we come over this way to room 212. It's architecture and design. This is where Robert Parker teaches. You ever heard of him? Well, you should. He's the Regional Teacher of the Year. Let's see what's happening in his class.
He's very considerate when it comes to different projects, welcoming and energetic, very energetic.
I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for Mr. Parker. He's a great teacher and he really guides us through it, and he does it in he really enjoys it too, and he gets a first-hand experience because he also does architecture. So I think it's a great way to teach it, because he also has first-hand experience, so then he applies that to us and applies it to the work we do.
So I think that students that take CTE courses graduate at a higher rate because the things that they learn are real-world skills. They are following a career path, and they're learning skills that are relevant to them. So I took a non-traditional path to teaching. I started in industry. I'm a licensed architect, so I have 20 years of experience as a practicing architect. And I think one of the things that does for me as a teacher is there's a certain level of authenticity. The kinds of scenarios that I talk about to the students, the kind of next step that they're going to take their work to, the college, the career. They can see a model or an example of somebody that's gone down that path. And I think, the passion that I have for the field, having lived it, experienced it, been in people's homes, designed houses for them, that passion is obvious to the students. And so I bring an energy, an excitement that somebody who hasn't practiced architecture might not bring to the classroom. I think of this space as a collaborative space. So I'm as interested in the students' work as they are. And I think they read that. They notice that I want to set up a problem that is relevant to the world's practice, to architecture. But then I really want to learn from them as much as they're learning from me. And I think they get that. They see it. They see the passion. They see the interest. And they see somebody that, wants to go on this journey with them. One of the really special things about Sabin Schellenberg is all these different folks coming together from these different high schools, different backgrounds, mixing, and different ages, right? So freshmen all the way up to senior, same class, and they really have this opportunity to recreate their identity, remold themselves, and also exchange ideas, perspectives from students from other walks of life and other programs on campus, right? So there's really this beautiful blending and mixing of different backgrounds.